Did you know that June 7th through 11th is Revenue Integrity Week? This is the 4th annual recognition. While as a compliance health information professional, I am very familiar with revenue integrity. However, I was unaware about the National Week of Recognition for Revenue Integrity Professionals. Let's chat about it. Hey there, and welcome. If you are new here, you don't know me yet. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, I provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified, marketable medical coder. As a result of my straightforward strategies, tips, and optimistic approach to education and learning, I've transformed hundreds of students to become certified medical coders who have developed dynamic careers in the business of healthcare and are valuable resources in their own right. Consider subscribing to my channel to get the latest and greatest information and tips you need to become a certified marketable medical coder. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of my weekly videos. In my research, I learned there is even an association, the National Association of Healthcare Revenue Integrity, or NAHRI. This week is for all types of revenue integrity professionals, from clinical documentation specialists, compliance directors, nurse analysts, charge master coordinators, and everyone in between. During the week, it's a great time to recognize the unique and valuable contributions of revenue integrity professionals. Also, increase public awareness of the revenue integrity profession and celebrate the diligence of revenue integrity professionals. According to NAHRI, and I'm not sure if there's a pronunciation for the organization, but anyway, their definition of revenue integrity is as follows. The basis of revenue integrity is to prevent recurrence of issues that can cause revenue leakage and or compliance risks through effective, efficient, replicable processes and internal controls across the continuum of patient care, supported by the appropriate documentation and the application of sound financial practices that are able to withstand audits at any point in time. NAHRI is also an acronym for the organization's values, which are nurturing, accountable, honest, respectful, and innovative. Revenue integrity is another career option for health information and compliance professionals alike, even certified marketable medical coders. So happy Revenue Integrity Week. You have learned June 7th through 11th is Revenue Integrity Week. You have also learned that there is a whole organization dedicated to these professionals. And lastly, you have learned of another career option for certified marketable medical coders. Questions of the day. Have you heard about Revenue Integrity Week and the association? How are you celebrating? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified marketable medical coder. If you are interested in more information on these tips and others on how to become a certified marketable medical coder, well then check out these videos and check this out. Are you interested in medical coding but not sure where to start and scared of wasting time and resources? Let me help you with the right steps to become a certified marketable medical coder. Learn more at bit.ly/5stepscoder. If you like the video, don't forget to let me know by hitting the thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you are informed every week when I upload new content. I love hearing from you. So let me know you were here by providing a comment or question. You can also give me a little love by sharing this video on your social media platforms. Tag me in your video share at prncoding.edu. Let's stay connected and connect others. Remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care, and thanks so much for watching.